Looking for the best toenail correction tools? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 toenail correction tools on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Zhehao Ingrown Toenail Tools. Kit includes toenail lifter, toenail buckle, cuticle pusher, tape, alcohol pads, and 2 files. The buckle is designed to be worn at any time to help relieve pressure and correct nail growth. The set is small and portable, so it can be easily taken with you when traveling. This tightly focused set of toenail correction tools is specifically designed to correct an ingrown toenail. There is no toenail nipper or clipper included in this kit. At number 2, Dr. Krause Ingrown Toenail Treatment Kit. The treatment can relieve pain in as little as 10 minutes or less for some individuals. The process is simple, and some people experience full growth correction in the first month of use. The kit contains 6 headers that can be used on a variety of nail sizes. This handy little kit is designed to provide fast relief from pain caused by ingrown toenails. For what it offers, the set is a little pricey, but it gets the job done. At number 1, Poraxy Ingrown Toenail Tools. Kit contains toenail corrector, nail clipper, toenail lifter, and 2 nail files. The nail clipper is extremely sharp and curved to make trimming easier. The design of the file facilitates clearing away painful ingrown toenail edges. This budget set includes 5 essential tools needed for toenail care, maintenance, and growth correction. The durability of this set is not as impressive as other tools on our shortlist. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.